Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Chevy Impala door panel. First, gather your essential tools. You'll need a Phillips head screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a specialized panel removal tool. Having a small container ready for screws and clips will keep everything organized and prevent losing any small parts during the process. This preparation makes the job much smoother. Next, locate and remove the visible fasteners. Start by taking out the Phillips head screws found in the armrest and door pull handle. Then, carefully use your flathead screwdriver to gently pry up the window switch panel. Once it's loose, disconnect all the electrical connectors attached to the back of the switch panel. This step ensures no wires are damaged. Now, it's time to detach the main door panel. Use your panel removal tool to carefully work around the edges of the door, prying out the clips that hold the panel in place. Once all clips are released, gently lift the entire door panel upwards to clear it from the window channel. Remember to disconnect any remaining electrical wires or door handle cables before fully removing the panel. When reinstalling, ensure all clips are properly aligned with their corresponding holes before gently pressing the panel back into place. Reconnect all electrical connectors and door handle cables securely. Before replacing any screws, test the window and door lock functions to confirm everything is working correctly. This ensures a smooth and successful reassembly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.